Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose your preferred fuel type on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then click on Settings, which is the third option. Scroll down to the Features section and then click on Fuel Type. As you can see, it is now set to petrol, but you can choose from 3 other options other than petrol. So you should just simply click on the relevant one, and as you can see, it's marked with the check mark icon, and as it says at the top of the screen, your preferred fuel type will be shown in gas station details when you are searching for such things within this application. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.